Hi, everyone. Today's video is all about transferring an AT&T eSIM to another phone. Whether you're upgrading to a new phone or just want to move your eSIM to a different device, this video will walk you through the process step by step. There are two main ways to transfer an AT&T eSIM to another phone: transferring from the AT&T website or transferring between iPhones. Transferring from the AT&T website. Ensure both devices have a stable Wi-Fi connection. This is important because the transfer will be happening over the internet. Log into your AT&T account on the AT&T website. You'll need your account information to access your device settings. Choose the option to switch the device used on my line. This will initiate the transfer process. Follow the on-screen prompts. The website will guide you through the rest of the steps. Transferring between iPhones. Both iPhones must be running iOS 16 or later. Make sure your iPhones are up to date before attempting the transfer. Open Settings on both iPhones. You'll find the Settings app on your home screen. Select Cellular on both iPhones. This will open your cellular network settings. Tap on Add Cellular Plan on the new iPhone. This will initiate the process of adding a new cellular plan to your new iPhone. If you see the option Transfer from Nearby iPhone, select it on the new iPhone. Confirm the transfer on the old iPhone. Your iPhones will communicate with each other to transfer the eSIM. You may need to enter a code displayed on your new iPhone. This code will be provided during the transfer process. Important to note, whichever method you choose, both devices must be compatible with AT&T eSIM and meet AT&T's requirements. You can check AT&T's website to see if your devices are compatible. That's all there is to transferring an AT&T eSIM to another phone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Also, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.